पानी उतरता देख मेरे किनारे पर घर मत बसा लेना। मेरा पानी उतरता देख मेरे किनारे पर घर मत बसा लेना। मैं समंदर हूं, लौट कर वापस आऊंगा।
The ultimate comeback man of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis. The architect of the BJP and Mahayuti's historic victory. It's been a meteoric and dramatic climb up the political ladder for Devendra Fadnavis. From a corporator to becoming the youngest mayor of Nagpur to the first BJP chief minister of Maharashtra. And he looks all set to occupy the state's top post for the third time. He, although, maintained that the coalition will decide the next chief minister.
सीएम पद के ऊपर कोई भी विवाद यहाँ नहीं होने वाला, क्योंकि पहले दिन से ये तय है कि चुनाव जब संपन्न होगा तो चुनाव के बाद तीनों पार्टियां मिलकर इसको तय करेगी।
उम्मीद से ज़्यादा कुछ मिला है?
उम्मीद थी बहुत अच्छा होने की, बहुत अच्छे से थोड़ा और अच्छा हुआ है, बहुत खुशी है। और इसके लिए कारण है हमारे भाजपा का एक एक कार्यकर्ता केडर। इसके लिए कारण है महाराष्ट्र, लाड़की बहनें जो जाग उठी, महाराष्ट्र जाग उठा और उन्होंने सोचा कि प्रगति किधर है वहीं हम जाएंगे और उधर मतदान करके उन्होंने ये रिजल्ट दिया है।
In a state dominated by Maratha politics and politicians, the 54-year-old Brahmin leader with deep roots in the RSS has carved his own space. Son of Jan Sangh and later BJP leader late Gangadhar Fadnavis, whom his fellow Nagpur politician and former party chief Nitin Gadkari called his political guru, Devendra Fadnavis cut his teeth in politics at a young age when he joined ABVP in 1989. At 22, he became a corporator in the Nagpur civic body and its youngest mayor in 1997 at the age of 27. Fadnavis contested his first assembly election in 1999 and won. There was no looking back for him as he won 3 subsequent assembly elections. He currently represents Nagpur South West seat in the House. Unlike many leaders across the political spectrum in Maharashtra, Fadnavis has remained untainted by accusations of corruption. After Uddhav Thackeray demitted office following the large-scale desertions in the Sena, many thought that Fadnavis would become the chief minister. However, the BJP leadership had other plans, and a reluctant Fadnavis swallowed the bitter pill to become the deputy CM.
मैं आधुनिक अभिमन्यु हूँ, चक्रव्यूह को भेदना जानता हूँ। हमने चक्रव्यूह को भेदा है और ये कोई मैं पहले भी कह रहा हूँ, वापस कह रहा हूँ, इस विजय में मेरा बहुत छोटा उसमें मैं समझता हूँ कि सहभाग है। एक ये हमारी जो पूरी टीम है, इस टीम ने इस विजय को लाया है।
Devendra Fadnavis arose as one of the younger, more clean leaders in the BJP, but he is not universally acknowledged as everybody's leader in the BJP. Quietly, BJP leaders, I spoke to many who have become MPs, quietly they do accept that he is the only person who can keep the BJP together.
In Maharashtra?
In Maharashtra.
Fadnavis has enjoyed the confidence of both Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah.
मोदी जी ने जो नारा दिया था, एक है तो सेफ है, इस नारे को यथार्थ में लाते हुए महाराष्ट्र के सभी समाज के सभी लोगों ने एकता दिखाते हुए महाराष्ट्र में मतदान किया है और इसके कारण ये इतनी अच्छी जीत हमको मिली है।
At an election rally earlier, Prime Minister Modi had said Devendra Fadnavis is Nagpur's gift to the country. Fadnavis's first tenure as the chief minister was characterized by a combination of good governance and effective political maneuvering. He also brings in the urban and young voters closer to the BJP.
As the BJP and Mahayuti celebrate their historic victory,
Devendra Fadnavis stands as the man of the moment. In fact, as Mahayuti gears up for the road ahead, all eyes on Fadnavis as he is the man of comebacks in this highly complex political environment of the state. With video journalist Mahesh Halwai, this is Radhika Ramaswamy for NDTV.